Hi there guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to copy a Discord link. First, what you need to do is to go on your left upper side on the three dots line. Then you need to go on invite members on the first selection. After that, as you can see, you have the option to invite links which expires every 7 days by default. For example, I'm gonna use it, and as you can see, it's something change on the expiring link. I'm gonna go now share link. After that, you need to scroll right and you need to find the best option that you think it is. For example, I will go with Messenger. I will use here. I'm gonna get back, and now guys, as you can see, we have done it. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure that you hit that like and share the video. Have a nice day guys, and see you soon.